Howdy, today we're going to draw a nice emoji with a flat face. So I used a bigger circle previously and used these instruments to draw that circle. You can use different instruments for this purpose. It doesn't matter, no problem. As long as the circle is good, the drawing is going to be fine and nice. So this is a very simple drawing, just only few strokes. So the first stroke is for the eye here. You can see I'm using a marker and drawing a straight line. So these two straight line is the first one, right eye, the second one is the left eye. Now for the mouth we are drawing again a bigger straight line. That's it. So this is a very nice expressions you can learn very easily. This is the very good options for starting learning a drawing for the beginners. Now let's put the color for the whole face. This is not going to take much time. As you know, this is a very simple drawing. Okay. All right, so the expression is done, the color is done, the drawing is looking good, simple and steady, nice, beautiful emoji. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Put the bell icons on for the next updates. And you can also browse through the playlist as you go through the channel and select your own categories, which drawings you want to learn first as a beginners. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay nice, stay healthy, stay alive, stay safe. Thank you so much.